Forum is an awesome time of year in downtown Tampa. Cool breezes sweep the Tampa downtown market as patrons and vendors discuss upcoming events like the new stage production of Dreamgirls happening November 16th through the 21st. Go take a look. And hard-hitting NHL action with 5 Tampa Bay Lightning home games at the St. Petersburg Times Forum. Just in time for the holidays, Irving Berlin's classic White Christmas will tickle your funny bone and warm your heart at the David A. Stratz Jr. Center for Performing Arts, happening November 30th through December 5th. On the Hillsborough River, Yoga in the Park brings tranquil focus to Curtis Hickson Park's North Terrace every Sunday at 6 p.m. You won't want to miss that. Kidding around is encouraged at the new Glazer Children's Museum, where young visitors enjoy 170 interactive exhibits from cranes to cruise ships in 12 themed areas. Wondering what that old vase, coin, or toy car is worth? Bring it into the Antique Evaluation Saturday at the Henry B. Plant Museum, 10 a.m. November 20th. Enjoy the Tampa skyline from the yacht Starship. It's sailing all month with a special Thanksgiving cruise November 25th. Need directions? Tampa's Downtown Guides show you the way with maps and smiles. Check out our website at tampasdowntown.com and click the upcoming events button. Check out our calendar for events and opportunities to build a custom itinerary and add your own events. Remember, fun's all around in Tampa's downtown.